Welcome to the session. Today we are going to talk about routing in laravel. But before we get into that, we are going to talk about how routing traditionally has been done, both in class and general in production, and even how some legacy, how we have some of the legacy frameworks doing it. So basically, all you do is create the file in the folder and tell the server to serve that particular folder, right? So we'll just start by doing that so that you can see what I mean. So just go to your project folder. Particular one is called Jacob. Create the index file. Now the index file is what gets served when the server hits the base. Like when you hit the base of your application, that's what gets served. So just to confirm. Okay, so quick thing, we need to start the server just to see something. Because if we go right now to the browser, we see nothing. There's nothing there. We're gonna search for port 888, so there's nothing. So we need to start the server. So usually start the server like this. Okay. So now there's nothing, right? So you can see there's nothing. So we can put something in our file. Next to HTML, just gonna put some HTML over there. Let's say my first page. Then I'm gonna save that out. Now let's reload this. When you load it, see, so it worked. So this is loaded our index page. Now it's important to notice that even if you actually did this, you still serve the same page. Now what would happen if in addition to our index file, wanted to have a products file? Well, this is pretty much the same. Just need to create a new file. So you have your index file, just need to start, create a new file. Say for example, about us file, right? So you go to about us, then when we look into the about us file, say something, say this is the about us file. Voila. So now if we go to about, say, well, it is that. So this is how traditionally we used to do it. Now of course this was a challenge, because what would happen if you wanted another route? For example, we wanted a product, so we wanted a route that looks something like this: products, product 1.html. How do you make that work, right? So this particular route, how do you make it work? Well, simply create more folders. So back to a particular file here, skew out of that one, make the directory, I wanted to call it products, seed into products, create a directory, product 1, HTML, done. Check it out. So there, so you have a file if they don't have anything. So just to prove, let's have something inside here. So you're just gonna say HTML, let's say body, say this is our first, say let's call it product. It's our first product. Let's see. Oh, voila, they're done. So just have that, we have that, and we have that. So let's try that out. Let's write a good about us page, a good product page. Let's go.